welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this low pony that I have on with my 4C hair. Ta-da! Guys, I'm going to be listing out the products that you'll be needing for this hair. That you do this when you've washed your hair so that your hair is damp. But now that my hair is not damp, I'm going to be using this spray bottle to put water all over. You guys should not mind the color of my hair. I was feeling playful when I went to dye my hair red, my dears. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm going to be looking at this place a lot because I have a mirror here. My front hair looks like it's crying, but it's really not in real life. Maybe it is, but yeah. So I'm going to be looking at a mirror here, so pardon me. Now that I'm done combing my hair, I'm going to be parting my hair into two from the back of my hair, just to pack it separately and get like that perfect hold. Going in with this cantu hair custard. I'm going to go ahead and pat my hair. Still up. Why is this blurry? Why is my camera blurry? Okay, yeah. So I'm going to leave this scarf on for as long as I want, but I'm just going to leave it on and do my makeup and come back to show you guys the hold. The pony that I'll be using I got from an Instagram hair vendor, the hair caterer. So guys, I went off camera to do my makeup, so I'm going to take this off now. Ooh. Can you guys see what my hair looks like? I think it's laid enough. I'm going to go in with the clips. And voila! You see how this looks? Very easy. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you're going to try this out, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, you get me? Join the fam.